today. Not my favourite job on the farm, probably my least favourite job. But today we're going to cut this dead tree down. Here we go. Bit by bit, this tree is coming down. What makes it a little bit more challenging is I've got to drop the branches in the right place so I don't take out the fence and I don't take out my little young fruit trees. So it's going to be a bit tricky, but here's for some fun. Now there's the tricky branches is to cut a V in the side of where you want it to fall. Then I get down and I'll tighten these ropes and cut the other side of it, and hopefully it falls directly in line where I want it to fall and not back at me on the tree. Here goes.